have a lot of testimonials that come in, and some of the testimonials really make me feel gratified. And I thought that actually for me is that they have applied design thinking through a course of work, and some of them actually found a new job through this skill set and went in the role of customer experience and innovation. And most of them tell me that they have applied design thinking in their team, and then they got more productive and more creative in the course of work, which really helps me to feel that design thinking is actually the way to go.